Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Weber Premium Gloves. That's really cool, because if you like barbecue, you comes to the point that it's really hot in the zone of heat. And a good thing to handle this area better is to buy a good pair of gloves. And Weber gets us a really nice product in dimensions of L and XL. And of course, there are medium size on the market too. We look the part and protect our hands while doing it so. The premium gloves protect our hands from a hot grill, and they have a silicone palm for gripping our most prized grilling tools. And the necessity for the serious grill masters out there. We have silicone palm for gripping the grilling tools. We have a really flexible material there, and the gloves are resistant up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. These are 250 degrees Celsius. That's a good thing. And they does not only look good, they are really cool for us. We can use them in two sizes. We have the part 6536, this is S and L. These are 0.3 inches to 6.7 inches to 12 inches. Or we use the 6535. This is in dimensions with L and XL, like I show you here, because my fingers are a little bit bigger. This is 0.3 inches to 6.7 inches to 13 inches. We have silicone palm for gripping all of the tools which we're going to use in the hot area, and flexible heat-resistant materials for easier handling of the grilling tools and the grilling lid. That's the good thing. These gloves have been tested and certified to resist a temperature up to 250 degrees Celsius, and we do not use this product if it's damp or wet. Moisture will reduce the effectiveness of the insulation. Always we exercise the caution when transporting the cast iron cookware and so on, because the cast iron cookware transfers and retain significantly higher heat than the air temperature in the grill. And this product is not intended for prolonged contact, and it's not fireproof, so take care, of course, but it protects our hands. The Weber Premium Gloves protect our hands from a hot grill and have a silicone palm for gripping our grill tools. So we can handle so many tools easily over the hot area. And it comes from the Weber Incorporated. This is an American manufacturer of charcoal gas and electronic outdoor grills with related accessories like this. It also owns restaurants and publishes cookbooks. The company was family owned until it sold a majority stake to BTD Capital Partners in 2010. In 2021, it became a public traded company until it was taken private by BTD Capital Partners, which purchased all remaining outstanding stocks in 2023. Weber Stevens was originally incorporated on May 8, 1893 as Weber Broth Metal Works. In 1951, the original round charcoal kettle grill was built by George Stevens Sr., a then part owner of this sheet metal shop in Chicago, who thought to improve on the brazier he had been using to cook with at home. The grill was produced using two sheet metal hearth flares normally used as a part of bouillons built in his shop. Shortly thereafter, he began selling the invention, which he called George's Barbecue Kettle, for which there was considerable demand. One of the earlier nicknames of the grill was Sputnik. Because the grill became so successful after he began selling in 1952, Stephen formed the barbecue division of the Weber Brothers factory in the latest 1950s. Stephen bought out the Weber Brothers factory and became the sole owner, devoting all his professional time to manufacturing and selling the Weber cattle. Soon thereafter, Stephen changed the company's name to Weber Stephen Products Incorporated. The Weber Stevens Company manufactures and sells outdoor electronic grills, charcoal grills, gas grills, and charcoal smokers. And it becomes a big player in the barbecue world. And of course, it gives us a good accessory with these Weber Premium Glows. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.